Welcome to a video about Casa Del Piloto from the outside. I'm standing in the entryway and I'm going to pan right, and I see the trusty Suburban. As I pan left, I see the shed and the window into the bathroom that's there. Let's go take a look at the shed a little closer. There's the tool wall, the bike in front, the doorway into the bathroom, washer, dryer, and utility sink. Let's go take a look, see what we find behind the brick wall. There's the fountain, some ferns, a nice sitting area. There's the window to the bath, excuse me, to the kitchen. There's the window to the bathroom. There's a place to cook things. Here's a pass-through. It leads us on back to the back sitting area. There's the door to the kitchen. And here's the back. Take care.